Hello everyone, today we are going to be unboxing my new ohuhu markers and trying them out and testing, and we're going to have so much fun. So let's get started. I really love these ohuhu markers. They are 60 pack and these are two different tips, a thick shape and a little shape. I don't know how to explain the little shape, but it's it's a tip. So now we're gonna be testing them on my new. I'm gonna them on my testing paper that came with the ohuhu set, and I really love the shade of green. It's 43, and I really like it. So now I'm gonna show you how it turns out, and I'm gonna test it with this drawing, and it is not turning out great. I just wanted to test it, so I don't really need this old drawing anymore. It's a very old, so now I'm gonna be just looking, just fast forwarding it and not just take a long time like I did at real time. Now I'm going to be trying the blending. The blending was the hardest part because you cannot blend with really, like, you cannot blend with this really like skin tone that is very light. I tried the lightest skin tone, but it didn't work, so I had to try with a darker skin tone, and I tried so many methods, but the darker skin tone was the one that we needed to blend. So these were very good. I really liked them, and I hope you guys enjoyed these videos. Like and subscribe, and let's move on. Now I tried with a darker shade. That's the time when it worked blending. But I think I really just ruined the drawing. But this is just a test drawing. I really don't need this drawing. So now we're going to be trying on my sketchbook. We're going to be drawing something, and we are going to be testing them with my ohuhu markers. As you can see, this paper is very, like, you cannot rip the paper that much, and that is the good part of the sketchbook. Now, before you start sketching, you have to put the testing paper under the paper that you're drawing on, because it can bleed through a lot of, like, it can bleed the whole sketchbook, and it's good idea to put that one. I'll show you one point, and let's just move on with the video. And now I'm just coloring with my new hoo-hoo markers. Turned out a little bit weird, but also a little bit good. But I think I just scribbled out. But this is just trying. In the future, I'll be much better, and I hope so. So now I've been trying this darker shade of green, also a 50 number. I did a background because it looked kind of boring without a background, and I'm gonna speed this up because this took me like a long time to do. So I'm gonna tell you the darker shade of, not the darker shade, but the thicker shape of the marker when I'm just coloring. And see, it is very fast, but I will show you in my next video. So here how it turns out. It's a little bit messy, but still works. And here is what I was talking about. To put this testing paper behind whatever you're drawing, or else it will get ruined the next page. So here how it turns out now. Goodbye everyone. Hope you have a good day. Now I'm going to be closing these, and goodbye everyone. Have a nice day.
If you ride with me.